Mirroring objects in Blender is super easy and incredibly useful for symmetrical designs. I'll show you how to do it step by step. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get started. First, select the object you want to mirror. You can do this by left-clicking on it in this 3D viewport. Make sure you're in Object mode or Edit mode, depending on whether you want to mirror the whole object or just a specific part of it. Once the object is selected, go to the right-hand side of the screen and open the Modifiers tab, which looks like a blue wrench icon. Click Add Modifier and from the list, choose Mirror. You'll see that Blender automatically mirrors your object across its origin point. By default, the mirror happens along the x-axis, but you can change this in the modifier settings. Under the Mirror modifier, you'll see the checkboxes for X, Y, and Z. Enable or disable these to mirror your object on the desired axes. If the mirrored part isn't in the right place, it might be because of the object's origin. To fix this, go to the top menu and click Object, Set Origin, and adjust the origin point to better align the mirror effect. For finer control, you can use another object as the mirror's reference point. In the Mirror Object field of the modifier, click the eyedropper icon and select another object in your scene. This will adjust the mirror based on that object's position and orientation. When you're happy with the mirrored result, apply the modifier by clicking Apply in the Modifiers tab. This locks in the changes, making the mirror permanent. And that's it. You've successfully mirrored your object in Blender. I hope this video helped.